So how's everybody's week so far? Everything is fine? If you're having a good week or a tough week, feel free to express. I know my Monday started out slow and busy, but we're adjusting going into the week. So if y'all had the same feeling, feel free to share with me in the chats. If you got any questions about cooking, Q&A wise. I know we had a question about the sauce. We're going to use the Conte sauce with the, Conte sauce with the sour cream, and we're making a decision to make it spicy at the end, which I'll be setting up another poll very shortly for that. But yeah, we put the habanero sauce in there with it, or we can leave it alone. I'm definitely going to have me some cheese with the brisket taco. I'm going to put some cheese with it. I like cheese with my brisket taco. And I'm going to cook it in a pan. And it's going to be, you can still call it a taco, but it's going to be like a quesadilla almost, because I like to heat it up. I like to heat it up in my pan and throw some cheese on it. And then I'm going to cut it in little quarters and put it on the pan, put it on the board, and set it out with the barbecue. So we're going to set this right here. And then we're going to take the sour cream, put it right here, and I'm going to place the brisket tacos across here. And then we can sit there and look at the final plate and dip and eat it and everything. So that's what's going down. Let me get this coffee cracking. I got my coffee mug. I'm glad that you're doing good so far. It's good to know that, Mary. Because, you know, it's hot. It is hot in America. And I've been going and I speak to my good folks in the Discord community, in the Twitter community, and Instagram community. And they all are like basically saying the same thing in their chats. They're like, God dog, it is hot. And I would not be the happy one to work outside today. It is extremely hot. So folks that are working outside, I commend you, because the last 2 days that I put in kicked my ass. I mean, 4.5 hours was technically, it was 6 for the food tech. You know, that was 6